Join the first stitch of this round with a slip stitch. Then make a beginning chain, and let's continue to look at the chart. Next, from the 4th round to the 6th round, each round will have 15 single crochets evenly. The numbers represent the stitch count, and the words represent the stitch symbol. Please crochet rounds 4 through 6 on your own. Each stitch corresponds to one single crochet. There's no increase or decrease in stitches. After completing each round, join it with the first stitch using a slip stitch. Then chain 1 to start the next round. Please finish these rounds on your own. After completing the first 6 rounds, cut the yarn and hide the end inside the leg. Then crochet the other leg. This leg is the same as the previous one except for the second round. It starts with 3 X's, followed by 5 V's. Please crochet this leg on your own. Once both legs are done, leave one leg with uncut yarn while cutting the other. Slip stitch the uncut yarn to this position and stop. Then connect the 2 legs together, starting with 1 chain stitch in the middle. Then connect the other leg, finding the part where the slip stitch is. This is a slip stitch, and it's next to the first stitch. We pass through it. Bring this thread over, then pull the front loop over the back loop, and crochet 1 beginning chain to begin the new round of crocheting. Let's see how it's crocheted after connecting. After completing the 15 stitches of this leg, crochet 1 single crochet on the chain in the middle. Crochet the other leg's 15 stitches, then hook another single crochet on that chain. This round has a total of 32 stitches. Start crocheting from the first stitch, beginning with this leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep crocheting all the way around until you finish this leg up to this position. The 15th stitch is completed, and now in between the 2 legs. At the chain stitch, we'll take half of the chain to crochet 1 single crochet. Then move on to the other leg. Start from the first stitch of the slip stitch section and continue with single crochets. 2, 3. Keep crocheting all the way down and finish this entire leg, ending here. After completing these 15 stitches, we will still be on the chain stitch connecting between the 2 legs, and crochet 1 more single crochet. Then join with a slip stitch to the first stitch of this round, completing the circle. After slipping, make a beginning chain for the next round of crocheting. Now the 2 legs are connected. Next, start crocheting the body and continue following the chart below. Round 8 has 32 stitches, worked even. Then round 9 has 33 stitches, 15 single crochets, 1 increase, 16 stitches total. Let's do round 8 first. 1 stitch corresponds to 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep crocheting all the way down. Don't forget each leg has 15 stitches, and we added 2 more stitches in the middle, 1 here and 1 there, plus this small stitch connecting the legs. There are a total of 32 stitches in this round. Crochet it yourself, and after completing this round, we'll continue looking at the chart. Round 9, round 10. Both rounds consist of single crochets and increases. There are no unfamiliar stitch techniques, so go ahead and finish these 2 rounds. After completing round 10, you should have 2 cute little short legs now. Then we continue crocheting. You can also stuff some cotton into the legs at this point before continuing. Let's take a look at the next round.